Okay. These earrings are so, okay, so cute. Ooh la la. Very fancy. Here's something to ponder. Men in America and the world, not to generalize, but there's this great push to be the mostest, masculinist, most man, and I think women probably get the same thing, right? To be the most womanist, girly, whatever you were taught it means, you strive to do. And people assume, here's Jeffrey walking down the street saying, gender doesn't exist. And that pushes everybody's buttons. I definitely push everybody's buttons, but which I'm okay with, but just so you're aware, I'm walking down the street thinking, I'm cute. I'm Jeffrey. I'm not a man. I'm not a woman. It's me. And that's so like inside my own head, I don't think of pushing people's buttons. I just, I've worked on it, but I'm just kind of free and having fun. And is there a point to bring that up except to say, gosh, your buttons are your problem?